wonderful second PUC champions. I hope my dearest children are doing really good. So I am here to give you an important update about the retotaling as well as the re-evaluation results. I hope that at least some of you know, but there might be a lot of you who have no idea about it. So the results have finally arrived and this is how you can check it out. Okay, so there is KCEAB's website. You have to go there and basically you have to go to PUC Student Corner, as you can clearly see over here, right? Just click on this particular link. What happens is that there are a lot of notifications which might be over here. Please make sure you read through it also, okay? So now over here, if you see exam 1 re-evaluation or retotaling result link is there. So what you have to do is just click on this particular link. Now what is it asking you? To give your register number and also to select the stream. Once you have done that, basically you can go ahead with the view option out there. Now I'll come back to it. There are a few more things that is there, and that is the mark list with change in marks. So there is re-evaluation mark list, and over here there is a mark list with change in marks. So if at all you click on that, you would be able to see that who all have their marks being changed and what was the difference out there also can be checked. But again, not all the data is given out there, which is why I'll still request you to go and check over here for finding your personal data. Right, and also one more very important thing, that is this a notification. There are some slight changes in your second PUC second examination timetable. Since on 9th, in the previous timetable it was mentioned that Hindi exam would be there, and I think some of you are also giving a re-attempt for Hindi, which is why they have changed it a bit. Okay, so make sure you go and check it out very carefully. The examinations which were there on 12th of May have been changed to 9th, and the Hindi exam which was on 9th is being put on 12th. So yes, so that is one very important information, and if at all you want to check that up, that is also over here. Revised timetable 2 is mentioned over here. You just have to click on that, roll around a bit, and you will be able to see it in English. So if at all you see on 9th, since you have COMEDK examination, they have put geography, psychology, geology and basic math. Since very less few number of children have opted for the re-attempt of this, which is why they have changed this particular subject. Now on 9th you have these subjects instead of Hindi, and Hindi is shifted to 12th is what I believe. Yes, on 12th you would be having Hindi. So this is one big update that I had to give you, and I hope this particular video was helpful for you. If it was, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. And my dear children, wishing you all the very best. And one more very important thing, if at all you are someone who is preparing for your second PUC second attempt and you have no idea as in where to prepare from, in our channel you can just go to playlist. In the playlist you will be able to see physics separately, biology, math, chemistry separately. All their second PUC revision playlist have been given. Check it out. It is definitely going to help you out. Yes, so that's all. Wishing you the best, and please take care of yourselves. Bye bye.